The fly's got smart, look. It's just sitting there. It knows that it's gonna get zapped if it tries to fly or move. Come on. It's too smart. Go higher. Go on the higher thing. How do I make it go? Look, it's not even scared. This fly's too smart. What is this? Why are these smart flies? Yep, climb up. Climb on the wooden part and get zapped. Come on! I don't have time for your games. Look, it's too smart. It knows not to try and fly. Yep, crawl over there. Go ahead, crawl further. Dang it! What is this? This fly's too smart. Hurry up, fly! I think I got it. Okay, can I get it this way? Come on. What the? What is this smart fly? Come on. What is this? This dumb wooden thing is making the table too high so I can't get it. Okay, I know how to get it. Okay, fly, you stay there. I need to get the vacuum so I can suction it up to there. The problem is I can't turn this racket in a way that it's not gonna just fall over. The racket handle's too heavy. Can I? Shoot, I need something. Hold on, I'll be... Oh, got it, finally. You turned into popcorns. Alright, see you guys later.